first ever iPhone to be using USB-C. Oh man. I can't tell you how long the world has been waiting for this switch. We can finally say goodbye to the original lightning charger, or what most of us would call it, an iPhone charger, that was introduced alongside the iPhone 5 back in 2012. For Apple, it was all about being in control of its own ecosystem because Apple makes great money from selling lightning cables and its many related accessories. But that is no longer the case. Today is Wednesday, October 4th, 2023. I've been using the iPhone 15 Pro for a couple weeks now, and the purpose of this video is to show you guys how I use this phone in different environments, as I believe it provides a better sense of how this phone looks and feels when it's not always in the studio. Hey everyone, I'm Rich, welcome back to the channel. So I don't normally like to leave my phone in the same bedroom with me because I think that causes a lot of distraction during the night and even in the morning, so that's why you saw me pick it up right here in the studio. So there's a lot of things on the itinerary today, first of which being we gotta go outside and break dance. This will get my cardio levels and muscles like waking up for the day. After that, we gotta see what's going on. But I'll be using the 15 Pro with me everywhere, starting off with 100% battery, baby. Let's go. We're gonna put this to the test and I'll just give you guys my thoughts and reviews during the whole video. So let's get right into it. Yeah. Alright, so here's my garage. As you can see, I have the vinyl mat set up here. Normally, I dance right over here. It's pretty humble, pretty small, I guess. I'm gonna put on some long pants and get some music going and we can get started, alright? Right now, I'm rolling out my vinyl mat just a little bit further. I think there are some leftover grass clippings and dust on the mat, so I'm going to sweep that as much as I can so that the surface I'll be practicing on is smooth and clean. Most b-boys practice anywhere, at the studio, in the basement, outside, or even their bedroom. Yeah, look at all that dirt. Cannot be breakdancing while that is there. I've spent hundreds of hours in this garage trying out different combinations, freezes, and power moves. Breakdancing is not only a physically demanding sport, as you need both balance and control with your body to lift and hold yourself up in different positions, but it is also a mental art form too, as I try to think about what I can accomplish before each practice session. I dance because it has always gave me meaning to my movements, the way I talk, the way I walk, and how I feel about myself. It gives me confidence in who I am, and it's something I feel like nobody can ever take away from me.
But please don't stay the night. Don't try to change my mind. Baby, please don't stay the night. Right. Don't make me ask you twice. Oh, don't stay the night. Don't try to turn it to a fight. You know I love you by my side. Just don't stay the night. I must do what's right. I'm done being polite. Oh, don't stay the night.
One of the more neater features on the 15 Pro this year, which I know Apple has really been talking a lot and putting on the cover screens of everything, is the action button, okay? I actually had it set to open up the camera app, which is really convenient for me. All you gotta do is hold it, it brings up the camera right away. But you can choose from a plethora of different apps. If you go in settings right here, it opens up this nice user interface. You can try to change it to, hold to focus. Turn on your flashlight, see right there. You got that little flashlight thingy, make a voice memo, magnifier, all that useful stuff. You can actually have it open up a shortcut, or I've seen someone open up a Tesla trunk, and that's really neat. I don't have a Tesla, so can't really test it out for you. But yeah, I just have it set on the camera. Really nice, because before, if you wanted to, you had to turn the screen on, tap it, hold this icon, and that's just, 2 extra steps. Having a physical button there can kind of, quickly capture what's going on. Boom, baby, we're going up, we're vlogging. Alright everyone, so I'm going to switch over to the iPhone 15 Pro and shoot some video on here. Right now it's recording at 4K 30 frames per second. You'll see this periodically throughout the video just so I can give you guys a real feel on how this camera is doing in the real world setting. So I'm going to switch over to the 0.5 camera lens real quick. So, just to give you guys a little bit more room, but I just finished practicing here. For those that don't know about breakdancing and all that stuff, it's actually called b-boying, hence break boy. That's the original term used to describe dancers like that. What you just saw me do was a combination of all 4 things. Top rocking, that is the stuff you see me, move with my feet. Everything when I go up and down, spin, everything on the top level. And then the footwork, which you saw me do, is when I bring it down to the ground. You see me do all these intricate moves with my legs and connecting them with the music as I do. And then the freeze is all the stuff you see me hold, you know, with my hands, my head, my legs and all that, you know, hence freezing. And then lastly are the power moves, which are my favorite, are the ones you see me, you know, do the spins with my legs, on my back, on my head, and all that good stuff. So definitely a really hard workout, really nice to get it out, listen to the music, and kind of create shapes and everything as I go. It's a really creative art form. I really like it a lot. You can really express yourself as you move. And you know, being from Philadelphia here in the United States, I got the Philly flavor, that Philly soul, y'all know what I mean. We're made a little bit different out here, okay? So each city definitely has its own type of flavor when people dance. You could definitely tell when you travel to other cities and just other places in general. Everyone has like a sort of demeanor, a style they put on when they dance. It's really cool and I really enjoy it a lot. B-boying and B-girling can get really creative. It's actually going to the Olympics next year in 2024. So we're gonna have to see how that's going. I'm by no means an Olympic dancer, okay? But it's really cool to see how breaking and b-boying has evolved, and it's something I really like doing. Anyways, enough of all that. I'm gonna go shower up, eat a little bit of breakfast real quick, but I'm gonna cut right into the next part of the day, which is I'm gonna be going over to Trader Joe's and picking up some good snacks. So let's do that right now. All right, so the iPhone is a little bit wet. Thanks to the IP68 Waterproof rating, it actually does a really good job. How wet the screen is. But yeah. Right now we're headed to Trader Joe's to pick up a couple snacks. Today is my off day, hence why I'm able to film this day in the life video. So I think it's nice for me to take the car and step outside just for a bit. I also want to turn my attention over to the immaculate enhanced stabilization on the 15 Pro. It has been vastly improved while recording video in cinematic mode. As you can tell, I'm driving and holding the phone in the least stable way possible, and the 15 Pro does a great job smoothing out all the rough edges. Also, I'm loving the color profiles coming out of this phone. As you can see, the colors look rich and deep. There's enough contrast to make the video look vibrant without being oversaturated. Alright, so we're here. Let's go inside. If you're somebody like me who loves to capture a ton of videos and make mini vlogs or journals of your own life, the 15 Pro's camera works so well. I mean, look, I'm recording a super quick pan over these strawberries. Don't they look delicious? Alright, so I just finished up picking up some snacks. Not gonna lie, I don't normally shop here at Trader Joe's, especially with their meats and produce. I'd rather get them somewhere else as they're cheaper. Sometimes this place is, you know, the price is a little bit higher. But I did get some weird snacks. I like to go here to change up the pace a little bit, and they got some pretty good snacks here, especially this one, the popcorn with the herbs and spices. This is one feels really light when you eat it. It's pretty savory. Give that a try. I also got this whole milk yogurt. I like this a lot. It's a Greek strawberry vanilla yogurt. It's made with whole milk. There's 200 calories per serving, so definitely good for putting on some extra weight. Alright, so I'm checking some emails right now. I forgot to mention that Speck has sent over some cases for me to try out on the iPhone 15. I'm gonna put some on right now for you guys. Alright, look at this baby. We got a bunch of cases from them. These are for regular 15s, but these are gonna be for the Pros. Got the Presidio Luxe Grip right here and the Presidio 2 Pro. Speck has been in the smartphone case game for quite a while now, so they make some really durable, really high quality cases. And these have MagSafe on it too, so you can put anything like a wallet, holster, like this one that they gave me, which I'll try that out. But let's see what this looks like. Let's try out the Luxe Grip, all right? Clear cases for the win, baby. Oh yeah, this is really nice. Huh. What do you guys think? Yeah? It's got a nice little side grip here to, you know, make sure you don't drop the phone as easily. Kind of glittery, I kind of like this. Yeah, I'll definitely be using this case in more like active settings if I'll be traveling, because this feels really durable. And then I want to take this off. This one's really hard to pull off. We're gonna be trying the Presidio 2 Pro. Oh, okay, I like this one. Check this one out. You see that little nice MagSafe in there? Got the brown and inlining and the outskirts. This one feels very soft in the hand too. Let's put that on right now. Oh, okay, I think I like this one. It feels really nice in the hand. I like the accents, the brown accents that they got going around the corners, especially with the action button, the volume rockers, the corners like that. Nice little logo to, you know, that Speck. This is what it looks like It's not too thick. I think these cases are meant for protection, obviously. You know, your boy got those extra walls, the one that shoot out. Use the affiliate link down below if you want to get one of these so you can get 25% off your purchase. See this? Put that in right there. And it stays on pretty nice and well, nice and fit. So hey, thank you Speck for sending this over. Also, if you guys don't like those type of cases, I also have another one from Andar. They make some premium high quality leather cases as well. This one's a little bit thinner and feels great in the hand too. As you can tell, this one is made out of full grain leather, all black, sleek and very slim if you're a fan of that. I'm gonna put this on right now. This one's a little bit easier to snap on, but ooh, yeah. So for y'all that like the minimal look, definitely check this one out. Really nice in the hand. The leather feels really, really good. If you like thinner cases, if you like stuff like that. But I'm gonna put this down and I'm gonna go make some food because I'm a little hungry. To my surprise, my dad brought home some Papa John's. This is super delicious. He got the works that has everything like mushrooms, pepperonis, and cheese. All right, so it's like around 3:06 p.m. now. We are at 73% battery life. As you can tell, a lot of that was actually taking video, playing music, surfing the web a little bit, and using a little bit of social media. Now, the next part of the days is I'm actually gonna be spending quite a bit of hours of editing a video right now, and then we'll see what we can do from there. If there's enough sunlight left, I'm gonna take us to the pier so I can give you guys a feeling of how the phone looks like in different, scenarios.
Whatever you want. I hit it. Whatever you want, hit it. Whatever.
Alright, so just judging about the amount of time and work I need to get done by tonight, I don't think I'll be heading to the pier. I also need to prepare for an interview tomorrow for being an application analyst at this one hospital. We're just gonna go to the nearest park that's down the street from here, and I'm gonna bring you guys with me. Let's get it, come on, let's get it. Yo, we got some deer crossing, bro. Over there, you see that? We're putting the 10 times zoom to work here. Isn't that cute? Isn't nature beautiful, bro? Isn't nature beautiful? Alright guys, so I'm probably gonna wrap up the video right here. It's around 8 p.m. I don't really have much going on other than finishing up this video, replying to some more emails, and just, chilling. It's been a lot of work. Before I go, let's look at the battery life on this baby, okay? Yeah, we drained a lot. We're down at 53%, as you can tell. That's a lot. Well, that was due to all the 4K video recording, which you saw, a lot of the music playing, a couple of YouTube videos which I watched, and just using social media. Hopefully that gives you guys a good estimate. There was no overheating issues I've experienced on this. This is pretty much still cool. Luckily my unit was not plagued with all of that. I think it definitely was a problem with iOS 17 not being fully compatible with the new 3nm chips that the A17 uses. So anyways, that's all I got for today's video, guys. After this, I'm gonna hit the bed and go to sleep. But let me know what you guys think of this video, and until next one, I'll see you then.